Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can make your own custom Snapchat lens filter in Lens Studio into Watch and PC for a better view. You can download the base LUTs given in the description box to follow my steps. Here I already made my LUTs, and if you want my LUTs, do read the description carefully. So let's begin. At first just click on Object Panel, choose Face Retouch if you want to retouch of your face. If not a problem. After taking just adjust the face retouch little bit.
Patient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this.
And again go to Object Panel, scroll down. You will see color correction. From there choose empty option, and then in the texture, just bring your LUTs. You can bring numbers of LUTs just to test your filters and publish it one by one. After adding LUTs, if you want to add grains, yes, can do that too. So for that, again go in Object Panel, you will see screen image, click on it, and then add any grain you have in the texture and then adjust it and then change the blend mode to soft or anything you like it. That's all, your lens filter is ready. Do adjust the blend mode value if it's needed. After adding number of LUTs, you can check out the preview and then you can publish it in Snapchat Lens Studio page.
Worsens, why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
If you like my tutorial, do subscribe my channel for upcoming tutorials, and yes, download the LUTs given in the description box. Before downloading, read the description carefully. Thanks, see you again.